a solution to install doors on a piece of furniture, or to get two join boards to become foldable is to do it with butt hinges. Look at them. These hinges are very easy to install, but have require some technique. We must make a mortise on the edge of the board to accommodate the body of the hinge. I am going to show you how simple it can be done. We are going to take one of the doors and put it here, on workbench. We are going to tighten it well so that it's firm and we can work very safely.
Bien.
We are going to position one of the hinges and mark its outline. To center it, since we have no reference, the best course of action is to place the knuckle right on the edge of the door. Bring the body of the hinge to the top. We make a mark there. And from the mark that we've already done, we will place the hinge. What we have to do is mark the entire outline. Since we're here, we take advantage of it and do the one at the bottom. We put it back at the corner. We mark and again we draw the outline. We've already got this marked. Now what we need is to identify and mark, here on the side, the width that we need to lower. It's equivalent to the thickness of the hinge leaf. We place it like this. And we make a small mark. Now we're drawing it completely. Let's get a wood chisel and a wooden mallet. Okay. Whenever we work with a chisel, the first thing we do is cut, by the pencil line we have drawn, to delimit the mortise we need to do. This way we will avoid that when we give a blow to the wood chisel, we take out a slice that we don't want. We simply need to empty what we have marked with the pencil. We draw like this. Let's go to the other side. And now we're going to do the whole long journey. But be careful. Here you're working on the edge of the wood, and we're aligned with the grain, so if we hit it too strong we can get a bigger piece than what we want. Let's go carefully. Once it is marked, we will make parallel and continuous cuts. We're going to clean this up now. When we already have the mortise like this, what we are going to do is take the hinge and check if the mortise is right. Take a good look at the result. This hinge would already be perfectly mortised. Now we have to continue with the next one, and then with the other side of the board. Once you have the two mortises already prepared, you only have to screw them. Let's position the hinge well. Always adjust the screwdriver so as not to pressure too much and damage the door edge. Now all we have left is to mortise the other door. To do this, look what we're going to do. We will place them in the right position, that is well aligned here to the edges, so that the two hinges, in both pieces, are at the same height. We mark the position. There it is. Let's put it here and remove the previous one. Now we have to take this measure, to pass it also to the other door. It's the separation that the hinge has to have. There's 1 centimeter. We're going to mark 1 centimeter on the edge of the other board. Now we mark that centimeter. We already have it. Now again use the chisel and the mallet to prepare the rabbet. This is ready. Let's join it with the other board. Let's see. We take this one now and we place it here. One goes here. And there goes the other. What we have to do, just like we did before, is screw. Let's put it like this now. As you can see, this is a simple way to place two hinges. Thanks for your like, for subscribing to our channel and sharing this video.